Okay, so on this outcome, solving exponential equations that have the same base. So in this one, the base is 7, and this one is the base of 7. In math, if you have an equality between things and the bases are already the same, can we not conclude, hey, therefore the exponents just have to be the same? Does that make sense? So that's it. If the base is the same and the sides are the same, conclusion, exponents are the same. Okay? I had a student who, on their provincial exam, crossed these out like a cancel, and I had to take them off a half of a point. Okay? Because that's not what you're doing. You can't cancel something. The only way to cancel something is division. Can you divide by a base? No. Okay, so do not do that. It's not a cancellation, it's a math property of equality. All right, so now just algebra it. Go for it, finish it out. Okay, so I would never give you that one. That one's way too easy of a question, but that's your warm-up. So you would never see something like that. So I'm going to amp it up a little bit. So this next question, this has a base of 9 and this has a base of 3. So they are not the same base, but you could turn them into the same base. What kind of base do they have in common? Could I write 9 differently using the same number as the 3? What could you turn 9 into?
3 squared.
3 squared. Does that use a base of 3? Which matches the other side? That make sense? Okay, there you go. They both have a base of 3. Okay, what is the rule of when you have a power to an exponent yet? What do you do with the numbers up there? Multiply. Remember that rule? Power to an exponent yet? So you multiply. Okay, now you're at the equality property. If the sides are the same, the bases are the same, conclusion, this exponent equals this exponent. Okay, and then all on your own there, figure out the rest. Okay, last one. Okay, so this has a base of 25. This has a base of something with a 125. Could I turn them both into something that they have in common as a base 5? Okay, so 5 squared, I'm going to write instead of the 25. How can I change 1 over 125? What would I want to write? And I'm wanting to use a same base. So 5 to the negative 3. Good identification of the negative because it was flipped to the bottom. Okay, now equality rule. The bases are the same, 5 and 5. Thus, exponent equals exponent. If you're okay, I'm going to drop the bases right now. So as I multiply 6x minus 4, is that exponent? Negative 12x, don't forget to plus 15. Can you see how easy it would be to forget that? Negative 3 times negative 5.